Have you ever imagined an artificial intelligence that automatically trims the reel for you from a podcast? Come with me in this video and I'll show you how Too Short works. And I'm going to log in here as free, right? I'll click OK here. And what it will open right away is this screen here. I'm going to change the language here and I'll set it to the language you want. I'll set it to Portuguese, which is our language. And here I will select the YouTube link of a podcast. Here, I will do Control-C. I will come here to T-Short and do Control-V. Here it has already analyzed 22%. Let's analyze the rest here. Let's go. It identified some speeches here, right? On some topics, right? I will select one here, which will be this one. And to select, just click on this little arrow. I wanted this one. You read it. I wanted it to be something. It's some segment of the podcast that he talked about. So let's click on this one. And then you put here, look, edit and export. After a little while, he came in here. And he even created the title here, see? He has already trimmed Ariel here. Ariel is already appearing in the scene. And he even added a little title here.
This is a collage.
What is he talking about? Look how cool.
Totally automatic. For these characters, you know, again, creating this contrast, creating this mix, you know. Experimentations like this, I think it would be cool.
Perfect. After you have selected the subtitle you want, just go to export, remembering that you need to have your Google account logged in, right? Go to export and it's already generating a video here and the video will go straight to my download and done. Simple. Ready for you to post.